All right, the final part to your depth of field assignment is labeling your images. So we're going to select our type tool, which is a giant T, and we just come over to our image and click and drag to create a text box. And deep middle is one of our labels. It's obviously too small, so we can highlight that, come up to the top, and increase the size of our words. Okay, and you can select different font styles if you want. You can see your preview here. Sure, we can do that, and oops, that's fine. And then we can select our move tool and move that either under or on top of the photograph if we want to. So deep middle means deep depth of field. Everything is in focus and we focused on the middle of our object. Okay, our next label, so click on the text type tool again, click and drag the box would be shallow middle. Okay, we can enlarge that a little bit so it stays on one level. And we'll move it, and we want to find our object that has shallow depth of field, meaning a small amount is in focus, and we focused on the middle of the object. So the front and the back will be blurry. So that would be this object, right? This is blurry. And, oh, I'm wrong. It would be this one. This is blurry, and this is blurry, and just this object in the middle is sharp. Okay? Let's grab our text tool here, and we want shallow front. Okay, so we can move this here. That means shallow depth of field, only the front of the object is sharp. Everything behind it is blurry. And finally, shallow back, where we focused just on the back of the object and everything else is out of focus and blurry. Okay, so those are your 4 labels. It should be exactly like that. And you are ready to turn this in. So you can go to File, Export as a JPEG, and you can leave this just the way it is. You just want to make sure that it's a JPEG. You don't have to worry about anything else. You are welcome to come back here and change this. Oh, no, listen, just leave it. Just leave it the way it is. Quality, 70% sounds fine. We're going to save it. Mine saves it as a little tab at the bottom of my screen. And then I can move it into my Google Drive. And you should be able to turn it in, upload it to Canvas just the way you would any other assignment, which I will do a separate tutorial for that.